Hi guys and welcome to Drive Spark, and in today's video we're going to talk about TVS motors. Now TVS has created a lot of buzz around the festive season, that is during Diwali, because they have recently launched the TVS Apache RTX in the Indian market. Now what exactly is this TVS Apache RTX? Now they have entered into the adventure rally touring space by launching the TVS Apache RTX. It's an adventure touring motorcycle and the prices for this motorcycle starts at rupees 1.99 lakh ex-showroom, which is the introductory price. Now if we talk about the engine that is on the TVS Apache RTX, now this is a 299.1cc single cylinder liquid cooled engine. It's a 4-stroke DOHC engine that delivers 36 PS of power at 9000 rpm and 28.5 Nm of peak torque at 7000 rpm. Now the engine is paired to a 6-speed gearbox which features an assist and slipper clutch and has a bi-directional quick shifter as well. Now the Apache RTX features a steel trellis frame that is suspended of a long travel WP inverted cartridge fork at the front and a monotube with a floating piston unit at the rear. The bike features 4 rally modes, that is urban, rain, tour and rally. The Apache RTX also integrates advanced technology like including a 5-inch TFT display with Bluetooth connectivity and live map mirroring. It also has cruise control and linear traction control. It also features a Class D LED headlamp with DRLs and dynamic intensity system that adapts with the speed, which is actually a very good thing. Now if we talk about the design of the Apache RTX, now the RTX adopts a forward-leaning mono-volume silhouette that merges into the tank, and the headlight that you see over here is a single sculpted piece. Now its twin chamber headlights, that's the DRL blades and the taillight elements, create a distinct lighting signature with a stance inspired by rally machines. Now the RTX is available in 5 color options, that is Viper Green, Metallic Blue, Pearl White, Lightning Black and Tan Bronze. Now the highlight of this is that the bike has red accents and a mix of matte and gloss as well. And to top it all off, TVS is also offering modular option accessories including a crash guard, panniers, luggage mounts and bash plates for the all new Apache RTX. Once again, let me tell you the price of this motorcycle. It has launched at an introductory price of rupees 1.99 lakh ex-showroom. So yeah guys, this was the all new TVS Apache RTX just launched in the Indian market. It's a rally touring motorcycle and I hope you like this motorcycle. So how did you like this new product from TVS? Comment below and we will be waiting for your comments.